Very good morning to all our IMA leaders and members. We have just crossed 31st of Jan and entering into 1st of February into a very tough job of opposing the mixing of the medical education and medical profession. It's for a noble cause we have all come to streets today. I, for the one, always used to say that medical profession should never come to the streets, but today the occurrences have made us to come to streets, and we have come to streets. You are all aware why we are now opposing this so-called and the Central Council of Indian Medicine. Issuing a notice that Ayurveda MS will be there, they will be doing their surgeries, which has been well promoted by Ministry of Health and Government of India through the Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog has formed four committees to integrate the entire medical education and profession. They don't want modern medicine and allopathic Ayurvedic medicine separately. They want both of them mixed. They want to mix up everything. They want to prove that in this country, one nation, one Aadhaar card, one PAN card, one health system, which will be a mixture of all systems, which we have labeled as mixopathy. Whether it is right or wrong, common man can decide. As medical professionals, we say it is wrong. See, one person will be taking coffee. This is my common example which I have been talking for the past 3 months. Another person will like to have a tea. It is his choice. It is his choice. And a coffee person will continue to take coffee, or he can take a tea. And they can also change. From coffee he can come to tea, from tea he can go to coffee. But never mixing coffee and tea together, as our government has proposed. Mixing coffee and tea together, will anybody would like to drink that? Will throw it only on the streets. That is what is happening today. Ayurvedic medicine is our pride. We should grow Ayurveda and we should take it beyond India, throughout the world. There are many useful methods available in Ayurveda for chronic diseases. As a clinician practicing for nearly 50 years, I know how many of the joint people, how many of the paralysis people, they utilize complementary system and they become better. It is their choice, but we cannot mix up both. There is a system, Ayurveda, wherein the science is not there. There is no bacteria, no virus, no antibiotics. That system can't be mixed with a modern medicine system, which is totally scientific. We know how this is coming. We know how it is to be diagnosed. We know what bad effects it will cause. We know what drug to be given. What are the side effects of the drug. How the outcome comes. That is how we treat in modern medicine. Mixing these two is totally unscientific, and we will only endanger the life of the public, common man. And that is why Indian Medical Association has come to this relay fast for 14 days. Thanks to our national president and our honorary secretary general, in the history of IMA, this type of a relay fast has never occurred, because this is an extraordinary situation which has happened to the purity of the medical system. To safeguard the purity of medical education and medical profession, now IMA has come out with this solution. Beyond a legal solution, beyond approaching to the various offices, we have been doing it. But still, this is needed to attract the attention of the policy makers and to make them understand that this mixing should not happen. As per Constitution of India, Article 21 says right to life. Article 14 says equality. Whether you are rich or poor, whether it is rural or urban, you must be given equal treatment, not a mixed treatment. And there was a ruling in 1980. The Supreme Court said that modern medicine doctors should not use Ayurvedic medicine. Ayurvedic doctors should not use modern medicine. because those days this Live 52 system very popular. When there is such a judgment, today we are making Ayurvedic people to operate. How far it is right? A common sense will definitely say that it is no. In MCA Act 1956 says the basic qualification in India to prescribe modern medicine is MBBS. Now we have put it in the dustbin. Total violation of the constitution and legal system of the body, of the country. That is why today, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to streets and we are fighting. And all the medical professionals, IMA, APA, all the professionals and dental professionals are also fighting. We have gone legally. We are making the National Medical Commission and to also as a party to that, so that we will go, we will correct the government which has gone and violated the constitution and the legal system of our own country. And mixing of the healthcare, mixing of anything is bad. When there is a mixing in food, it causes a disease. All of us know. Too much of mixing, death. Here, mixing of the medical systems is being done, which is totally dangerous to our people. A modern medicine doctor to become a surgeon has to study for 11.5 years. After +2 has to write a NEET and then fight in the rank and get into. And then 4.5 years he has to study. Then writes a next exam, or what we call as a qualifying exam. Then completes internship, and then goes for a PG, and then he writes a PG entrance, and then super specialty comes out as a surgeon. MS. Here 4 years. BAMS, you go for this Ayurvedic medicine surgery. After 2 years you are a surgeon. Why all of us should study this? Why common man should go to this fellow? He can always go. The degree MS is a cheating degree for the public, because the public will think that he is a modern medicine qualified MS. I had sent a note to the Ayush Ministry. Why do you want to cheat this with our modern medicine qualification? Why don't you keep it as a MS, that is Master of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery? There is no response. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now coming to the streets and fighting for the life and health of the common man, not for doctors. This public must understand. Public must realize. Public and media must realize. And the public is the ultimate consumer or sufferer or beneficiary. This public must say, we don't want these Ayurvedic MS doctors to operate on us. We want fully qualified doctor. That day, this rule will definitely go away. I am sure with our continuous actions, legal and on the streets and with political leaders and on media. We should go to the media. And one section is here. Another section every week there should be a media discussion with a consumer activist and a public and a sick person. They should all say to the government, no, we don't want mixing up. We want a purity of the medical education and medical profession. That day we have succeeded. I am sure with our continued efforts and strides to win over the situation, we will win over. We will safeguard the life of our own citizen as well as our modern medical profession. Thank you all very much, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues.